everyone. I am Kimberly. It is so nice to finally be talking to you again on my favorite topic, which is WhatsApp. And I have another person with me, Labdi from the Angati team, who is equally passionate about WhatsApp automation and how it's really in the progress of boosting revenue for businesses. So, Labdi, you want to say hi?
Hello everyone. I'm really excited to be here. This is my first webinar, and I'm actually very excited to talk about WhatsApp automation and how WhatsApp helps with growing businesses.
Right. I'm sure our audience is going to give you a good treat for your first webinar, and this will be something you want to remember. So, let me start by telling you, Labdi, of how many WhatsApp broadcasts I have received over the course of at least 2 weeks from now from all of these big brands like Myntra, I have Amazon, I have so many other brands. They've kept on sending me broadcasts and they're actually triggering the right nerve because they're sending me offers. They have checked as to what products I've purchased in the past, and they're actually sending me a lot of this. And the best part is it lands straight into my inbox, right? And hey, I mean, any notification from WhatsApp literally is something that you will want to be tempted and actually take a look at, right? And I'm very curious to know, why are these big brands actually doing that, and is this really working out for them?
Yes. Okay. So tell me, Kim, like what actually makes these brands big? It's because they know where their target customers are coming from
Right.
and which channel, which is the right channel to reach out to them. Right now, some brands like Amazon, Myntra, they get conversion through their marketing campaigns.
Correct.
Most of the customers actually come from WhatsApp channel.
Correct.
And it's because they have actually figured out that on an average, if you see people open their WhatsApp 23 times a day, which
Correct.
makes 98% open rates on WhatsApp. And out of that, 80% of them will actually respond to your messages,
Yes.
right? And for example, say if you have a button that you're adding on a message, say a shop now button or view the offer, then 80% of them are likely to respond to those messages.
Correct.
And this is what actually gets these brands more conversion, and easily they can reach out to their customers.
Right. So even when you were just giving me these numbers, it actually pulls back another set of statistics that I want to share. And I'm sure everyone on this call will agree to me when I say that when we have done emails, we have done social media posts, we've done ads. I mean, hey, just to pull up email numbers, right? I mean, you're just going to get 5 to 6% open rates. And I feel the number of people that actually click on your emails, you can actually count them on your hand. Now, all of these, including ads and social media, by the time someone actually clicks on your ad, lands into your system, moves back to your sales department, someone actually takes care of them, they're already lost, right? They're already probably sitting with your competitor at this time. And I feel that WhatsApp is such an underrated channel and actually proves to be so important to all of these businesses. It's just a simple message coming straight to your pocket, straight to your phone notification. And like anytime my WhatsApp rings, I am tempted to go and check out. So, like you said, that 80% of response rate is actually true, because, like I was telling you about the broadcast that I received, hey, I already fell for it, and there are items already in my cart waiting for me.
Correct. Yes. So when you compare email and WhatsApp, so that lies your answer that WhatsApp broadcast is a solution, right? Which can get you more traffic. Let me give you an example. Now, if you know, the festive seasons are coming up,
Right.
and this is a season where people shop a lot, be
Correct.
it buying gifts for their families or friends, or be it corporate offices buying gift hampers for their employees. Right. And this is obviously where you want your brand, and this is where you'd be looking to give out more offers and discounts on your products.
Correct.
In this case, obviously, email is not a solution for you because during holiday seasons, people don't check the email that much.
Right. That is so true. And actually, WhatsApp is one good channel, like you were saying, is because during this festive and holiday season, you are actually only on social media, and your WhatsApp actually making plans with your family or friends. Maybe you're flying down to connect with your family or friends, so on and so forth. So WhatsApp actually is a right solution. But then my next question to you, Labdi, is how do we actually send this WhatsApp broadcast? Is it very difficult? What exactly comes into picture if I have to send a broadcast to, maybe I already have a set of 10,000, 20,000 contact lists already with me. I have their numbers. How do I actually go about all of this?
So it is pretty simple. Let me just quickly show you how we can send a broadcast on WhatsApp with Engati.
That would be awesome.
I'm going to share my screen.
Yes, your screen is visible.
All right. Okay. So this is the web page of Engadi. So you can click here to start your 7 days trial. So let me just walk you through the entire process. One, it will be just very quick. So let us just try registering on the platform. Just gonna add my name, my email address, and password. Okay. And just to try the platform, I'll add, you can add your phone number, your WhatsApp phone number, where you can just send a broadcast and check it out on your own WhatsApp. Okay. And you can add your industry details, company size, other details related to your company, your website, and what exactly are you looking for. And you can just get started. Okay. So it's just like a 3-step process you can go through. And once you actually register on Engati, you can watch a quick video on how to get started on the platform. Okay, it's just a quick video to help you get started, and this is like a quick guide which helps you with sending your first broadcast on Engati. So you can just, and it's a 3-step process. If you just click here, it also, you see this, it's a 3-step process. You simply select your template, add your contacts, and voila, your broadcast will be sent to all your customers. Okay.
So you
So
literally mean a few steps when you say a few steps.
absolutely. Okay, so you see this, I've selected my template and I have my number is already added, and similarly, you can add your contacts as well. Okay, so in the trial journey, I'm just going to test it out on my own number. Okay, and okay, the broadcast getting sent, and this is where you actually see your analytics, broadcast analytics. You can measure the performance of your broadcast, how many you have sent it to, and how many people have actually responded to it. Okay,
Right.
so I'm just gonna go here, and you see this, I've got my message. Now similarly, not just this, now you can also respond to your queries. Now there might be customers who have reached out to you, correct? Like, but any queries for
Correct.
say, how do I avail an offer? Correct. So you can just go to your live chat. So let me just also message hi and here the offer. Okay, get a notification here. Okay, which takes me to live chat here. So here you can easily engage with your customers and respond to any queries that actually come through, and also it helps you convert them, right? So all you can do is just start a conversation with them, okay, and say thanks for reaching out to us. Okay, and this is how you can talk to all your customers simply on a single platform.
Right. And I think one of the very important thing is how Engati has actually made this process so easy, especially for a lot of people who are not very tech savvy and they don't literally have to sit to code all of these things. Right. And hey, I mean, even if you have a lead set of, like, say, for example, 10,000 people, and you do send a broadcast to them, which is as simple as, like Lovely showed, in just a couple of a few seconds you can actually get through this. You can actually, even if you get like a 10% open rate, you actually do have a lot of clients to talk to. You have a lot of things to take care of. So it is a good problem to have if you have so many messages piled on. And hey, live chat takes care of that. So your agent productivity goes high up. You are able to take care of every solution, every problem that is, and you can directly reach to your customers, right? I think that was pretty much it. And anything, Labdi, you would like to add as to why Engati WhatsApp for broadcast from Engati is actually the solution everyone is looking for?
Yes. So if you see, we have a lot of our customers as well, big brands who have been working with Engati, reaching out to the customers, and it is very simple. If you see the traction that you get on WhatsApp, okay, that's actually a really good solution, especially when it comes to generating leads, or say you want to increase your conversion, move your business metrics. And this is where Engati comes in, providing a simple solution. And it is actually an entire use case that Engadi provides, that you can not just reach out to your customer, but also you can engage with them simply on a single platform. And this is what actually delights your customers as well, right?
Right. So we are open to any questions. If anyone has any questions related to what exactly would, if the WhatsApp broadcast goes for an approval stage, or any other questions that you have, feel free to answer them. Let me just pull up the section. Okay, I do have a question that says, what is the maximum number of contacts I can add under my contact list to send the WhatsApp broadcast?
Okay, so here we don't have a limit. It actually depends on the limit that Meta provides. And it depends on the quality of your messages. So once you start sending broadcast to your customers, it actually starts from 1,000 customers to 10,000. And as you keep sending your broadcast, your message limit keeps increasing to say unlimited broadcast.
Right.
So
And a follow-up question to this, Lovely, is this broadcast only once a lifetime thing, or I can keep sending broadcasts over and again?
you can keep sending. There is no limit that we have on the platform, so you can keep sending as many broadcasts you want, simply by just adding your template message. And once you have your contacts ready, you can simply send it out. It's a simple process.
Right. And what all providers Engati provides for WhatsApp?
Okay, by providers, do you mean the channels?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay, so we have a 360 dialogue, okay, where through which you can just simply get your business API that you can register on Engati, and through which you can send out your broadcast. So that is the maximum used provider. We also have Twilio as well. So we have a few more providers, but 360 is something which is most used as well. Okay, next question is, what format require for contacts with +91, or without that is okay? So here we don't have a limit. You can reach out to any customers, no matter in which country they are. And yes, if you're sending out to Indian customers, definitely you need to add +91, basically the country code. And if you're reaching out to foreign customers, you can just add the country code there.
I hope we've answered your question, Praveen.
And also, to simplify this, we have a sample template where you can just add your contacts with the country code, separated with the country code, so that it's very easy for you to separate the country code and number, and also any more information that you want to add. And you can just use that template or that format to send out the broadcast.
The next question we have is, how long does it actually take to get my WhatsApp template message approved?
Yeah, so basically, Meta as in WhatsApp has a limit of like the maximum time that it takes is 24 minutes, but like 24 hours. But right till now, like most of the templates get approved like just within a few seconds. Okay, so once you have the right content and if you're following that, Meta just takes a few seconds to approve your template.
Right. So apart from text, can we also send other multimedia content like videos and images?
Absolutely. So not just text, you can add images, videos, also documents if you want to send it out through like in your template message.
That's awesome. Also, can I send a series of images?
Sorry.
Also, can I send a series of images with the
Uh,
broadcast?
yes, you can send it out, but usually WhatsApp has their own templates where you can, at a
Okay.
time in a one message, you can add one image and you can send it out. And also, if you want, you can send multiple broadcasts as well with images if you want.
Is a WhatsApp business number needed, verified with Facebook Business Manager?
Yes, absolutely. So, in order to get a business API through which you can just send out your WhatsApp, so I mean your broadcast, you need to have a verified business manager. But simply, even until you get your Facebook manager, like FBM, Facebook Business Manager verified, you can still send out broadcast. There's a limit, although 1,000, 10,000. Like at a time, but you can there's a limit of 30 days till when you can just send out the broadcast. Until then you can get your business manager verified.
Yes. Is there an option to send broadcasts in a phase manner?
Yes. So say if, for example, you have uploaded 2,000 customers, right, in your contacts, and there is, but your limit to send a broadcast at a time initially, once you have got a new business WhatsApp business number. In that case, what we do is we automatically split the contacts
Mm-hmm.
from our side. So it will send like batches. It will send it out in batches. So 1,000 plus 1,000, it will send out in two batches, so that you can, your broadcast actually gets out smoothly, and you don't have to repeat the process.
Right. I think those were the questions. If there are more questions that you would like to ask us in the future, you can feel free to reach out to Labdi or to me on LinkedIn. Or you
You
can reach out to contact@Engati. Just drop us a message and we'll make sure we attend to you. But hey, saying this, we would like all of you to actually try this entire sending broadcast yourself. So just hop on to ingati.com/WhatsApp campaigns. I'm also going to put a link in the chat so it is easier for you to navigate. Just click on the start your free trial. It's not going to cost you a thing. You don't even need a credit card to put in your details. Just start and send a broadcast for yourself and let us know what you think. Is there something else we are missing out, something that we should be adding? Hey, we're just here to help each other grow, right? So just do drop us a message. Tell us, is there something that you're looking for in specific? Any ways that we can help you? And we're always going to be here.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, so before we wind up, there's one more question that have come up from Mithilesh. Can we do promotional messages or only transactional? So absolutely, you can send out both promotional messages as well as transactional. No matter whether you want to add images or documents, anything you can add in that message template and you can send out. Not just that, Engadi also provides you like a bunch of templates that you can use to, rather than curating a new message, you can just use those templates as well to easily craft a message and send it out.
Yes, I hope we've answered that for you.
If I'm interested, how can I upgrade my plan after trial? Right. So all you need to do is once you have registered for the trial, you can just there's a 2-click process. You can just hit upgrade, and our team will reach out to you for onboarding you and for the entire upgrade
Correct.
process. You can simply do that. Right.
I think that is the end of our questions. It was lovely talking to you, all of you, and we're going to come back with a very interesting webinar next week itself. I want all of you all to stay tuned for that because that's going to be one crazy ride. Until then, I will see you in the next webinar. Goodbye.
Thank you, everyone.